Hey man, say man, it's your boy Jump Out Max coming back to another river video. So today we're gonna be out here trying to catfish. We got bluegill as bait, live bluegill in the bucket. We got 2 poles up, and I got the camera good enough for y'all to see the takedown on both poles. So we just gonna sit here. It look like we're getting a bite now. That was fast. We're gonna let him eat that a little bit, cause that's a pretty big bluegill. And then we're gonna try to set the hook down on him. I have been having very bad luck at this spot with fish taking my bait, hooks not sticking. Well, we're gonna see if that'll change today, and we're gonna get straight into it. Yes, sir. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button for all the new videos that's posted. Help support the channel. It brings out to do videos like this and fishing videos like this for y'all. And y'all let me know what y'all like and what y'all don't like, and we're gonna get straight into it. Yes, sir. Got one. This on. This on. This on. You got the fish on, man. First fish of the day. Got a nice size channel cat. Nice size channel cat. Look at that monster. We got him on a Santee Cooper with the float on the end. And we got a nice size channel. We're gonna get the weight on this guy. We got him hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Just barely hooked. So we got a 5-pound channel. 5 pound? Yeah, little baby boy. Yeah, little 5-pound channel cat. and we did release him. So he's going back on. We're gonna keep our scale out because it seems like we're getting some play today. See you later, big guy. So man, we got another little guy. Like I said, we got a slip rig, bank sinker, and a float. We're gonna put the float all the way down to the hook so this little guy floats, and we're gonna chuck this back out there. Gonna run some drag on it. Thing posted back up. We're gonna let some of this line out. And as y'all see, man, we got our first channel cutter today, and we're gonna put that right back out. So we're gonna make this one into a floating rig too. So we got 3 little clip-on sinkers right here, coming to a big bobber, and a small hook on this pole. We hooking them right in the front of that front dorsal fin, probably the brain, but it seems like that's what holds on the bait better. We're gonna get this pole out. So we got both poles back out, both tiny type of baits, but I believe they'll work. So we gonna see what we get on next. First catfish was a 5 pound. Seems like we're doing kind of good today. Just got out here. I believe I lost 2 hookups, and then I hooked up with that nice 5 pounder. Barely hooked through the lip. I'm trying to use smaller bait so we can catch like some catfish or something and turn it into some cut bait. He was too big, so I let him go. We're looking for the little tiny ones, get like 3 pieces of cut bait out of them, and then we're gonna really be on to some fishing once we have that cut bait. But we are fishing with these tiny bluegill for now. We got guard jumping in the background. Might even hook up to one of those, these floating rigs. I think he dropped it. He might have dropped it. Yeah, I think he dropped it or took the bait off. That was a pretty small bait for this big old hook. Now we still have our bait. So we're just gonna chuck it back on out now. Loosen that drag up. We're gonna set it back out. So we do got big fish hitting little baits because that is a big hook. So whatever that has to have mouth big enough to cover that bait. I'm throwing right out in the middle. I'm not throwing too far, not too close. But right distantly where the water still has a current running at. That's why I'm seeing all these guard jump at. I probably should have bought my other pole, but these 2 poles are good because I don't have that many weight, so we'll make it work. We got on our first fish today, 5-pound channel cat. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button. We got a lot of rocks out in front of us, so that first fish that I caught, it was trying to take me under a rock. They're trying to stick to the bottom. So I found out we gotta reel them in decently fast just to keep it from going up under a rock. But hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. main pole. like a nice one. Gotta keep him off that bottom. Got another nice channel cat. The baby bluegill. We got a real fat hunky dory here. Our second cat. We're gonna get a weight on this guy. He's a little bit fatter in the stomach and thighs than the first one. Let me get the scale. Oh, he's going crazy. Talk to me, big boy. Talk to me. He's currently putting up a good fight, trying to get the scale hooked up to him. Without getting spined by him. So we done got us a 6-pounder. So a pound bigger, smaller bait. And we're gonna get this hook out of the mouth and let him back go. Put my gloves on. Catfish are very, very slimy. So there go our cat boy. Say hello to the camera. We got a perfect hook set. Right in the beginning of the mouth. Let me get my pliers. So we got our hook back. We're gonna be letting this fat one go.